Welcome to Easy Time Solutions video tutorial series over the Easy Clocking Time and Attendance System. This session is going to discuss applying job codes to an individual user. If you are applying multiple users to a job code in bulk, that tutorial is available under the Users menu in the Solutions page on the Help Desk. To apply job codes to an individual, we first want to navigate to the User menu and to the Jobs tab. We then want to go down the left-hand side and select the appropriate employee that we wish to apply the job codes to. From there, we're going to click on the Create button. Here we'll have a listing of the different projects and groupings for the job codes. For internal jobs, they will typically be found the Internal menu. By clicking on the drop-down arrow here, we will see a list of the internal jobs that we can apply to our employees. In this case, we're going to apply the building supervisor job to an individual. At this point, we do have the ability to add multiple different job codes to an individual employee. From here, we can go ahead and click Save. This will apply and allow to be available multiple job codes to a specific employee. From here, we also have the option of applying specific rates or using the job rate. In the case that the job rate is simply indicating a premium, but we want to track the number of dollars within the system that an employee would make, we do need to edit the dollar amount for the job code. We can do that by clicking on the pencil icon. For the building supervisor, if we wish to use the actual job rate, we can see over here that it is $16. We can also apply a user-specific rate. Let's say this employee typically makes $20 an hour, and they were going to continue to make $20 an hour, but we do want to track when they're the building supervisor. We can use the user's rate and track that dollar amount. If we would want to apply the user's rate plus the job rate, so in this case $20 plus $16 an hour, we could enter that here and make a total of $36 an hour and save that amount. From here you'll see that that does in fact change to the $36, and the rate amount will be specific to that individual user. This amount will indicate whether we are using the user's rate, the job rate, the user's rate, or the specific rate being used. And we can make these specific per individual employee. We can also remove a job that is no longer available by clicking on the trash can icon next to the employee and confirming with yes. And that will remove the job code that we had assigned. From there, if we wish to assign a default job, we can go back to the General tab, still under the Users menu. I still have my employees selected, and beside the position, in the second line down, I can apply a default job code. If her default job is building supervisor, I simply select the job code and click Save. Setting the default job code can be very useful for employees who are clocking in with one of the Zenio biometric controlled clocks. When set correctly, the clock has the ability to allow the user to scan their fingerprint and then select from their default job code or a list of other jobs that are available to that user. This can be especially useful when these jobs need to be tracked for either budgetary purposes or if the employee needs to change rates depending upon the job that they are working. They can also be easily transferred by the Zenio clocks and the biometrically controlled features when again set correctly on the clock itself. Those settings can be found in another tutorial. Thank you for watching the Easy Time Solutions video tutorial over applying job codes to an individual user. For more information, please see the Easy Time Help Desk at support.easytimesolutions.com or by searching us on YouTube for Easy Time Solutions.